I'm thrilled that there was such a wonderful response to our prayer workshop of 4 sessions, which we held in the late spring and early summer this year, and thrilled to announce that we're going to continue our prayer workshops into the fall. Our workshops cover many aspects of prayer. They're not just about how to pray or what prayer is about, but also discovering gems hidden within prayers, delving deep into some of the prayers, understanding practical aspects of how you engage your own spirituality with those of the community, and how we can grow together through prayer. These workshops are designed to be useful for both the experienced davener as well as people who are new to prayer in a Jewish setting. If you have questions, feel free to reach me through the synagogue office, and all the details of how to register and when they will occur can be found on the synagogue website. I look forward to seeing you.